back to another video. This is Benspective. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the Bugatti Tourbillon 2025. Well, I actually don't even know when it's coming out, but goddamn, this car looks beautiful. It is the successor of the Bugatti Chiron, but the Tourbillon has a V16 engine instead of a W16 engine. So they got rid of the turbos. Still 8 cylinders, but now it does 1800 horsepower. Isn't that crazy?
This is exactly what I've been waiting for. This is exactly, I don't mean to sound like Cat Williams, but this is
I'm sure you already noticed something about the Tourbillon. Something's a little there. I'm sure you noticed. It's a variation of the Chiron and the Noir. I'm not sure if you remember, but Ronaldo actually purchased a one-of-one Bugatti that was like around $28 million. And this car is actually, it has a little piece of its styling at the back. I don't know if you noticed that on the taillights, but the taillights is actually from that car. And then the front of the car is like a squished, stretched out Chiron. Don't even get me started on the interior, bro. This interior is literally crazy. This interior is the best interior I've ever seen to this date. It has like Pagani quality interior. This is how good this interior is. Bugatti, they partnered with some Swiss watch company, and the speedometer literally looks like a timepiece just right in your face. And oh my, it looks so beautiful. The steering wheel is actually floating when you look at it. It's only mounted from the top and the bottom, so the speedometer stays in place while you're turning. That is insane. I'm sure you're wondering, 1800 horsepower, how is it this fast? How are these hypercar companies making these cars so fast? The answer is electric, EV. Some of these cars are partnered with the EV motor. That's what's making it so fast. Things we couldn't do back then, we can do easily now. If you just power a freaking powerful engine with the EV motor in the wheels or wherever they put it, bro, you're gonna be pushing 2000 horsepower, no problem. Like, we have cars that do it, like the Rimac, that's fully EV, but that car has a lot of horsepower. We have the Lamborghini Revuelto. That car is insane, 1000 horsepower. Yeah, these companies are achieving this much speed because they're paired with a combustion and an EV motor. And like the Chiron had a W16 engine, 8 liters, twin turbo. Now, to cut some weight, they cut off the turbos. Now it's a V16 naturally aspirated 1800 horsepower engine. This thing is insane. I seen some of the figures, 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.2 seconds. Shit. This thing is gonna have you on your ass. Now let's talk about price. This Bugatti is coming in at $4.3 million and is presumed to be released in 2027. Shit. Okay. My honest opinion about this car, I think Bugatti really needed this right now. Everybody's getting tired of the Chiron. They're pretty much treating the Chiron like an Aventador. They're making so many variations of it. You got the Super Sport, the 300 Motorsport, and all these other variations. Now they have a successor to the car, so now they can breathe new life into the brand. If you thought the Bugatti Chiron was exclusive, imagine this one, bro. Yeah, they're not letting nobody get this car. Oh God. Nah, my favorite feature of this car is definitely the doors, bro. That was the only thing Bugatti was missing. Bugatti had everything: the elegance, the quality, the build quality, the engine, the horsepower, but their doors are always so boring. Now, when you pull out of this car, shit. There's nothing they can tell you. Well, anyway, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your time. Leave a comment on your first impressions on the Bugatti Tourbillon. And yeah, this is Benspective, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.